Hey everyone, quarantine is going on, and I had this random brilliant idea to bring back memories of 7th grade by making a website. Now, I haven't done HTML in 4 years and I've never done CSS, so I had to pull up guides for both while making this website, and it took me about an hour to make it. It's pretty basic, it's not actually supposed to fulfill any purpose. I just made it for fun. After this time lapse is over, I'll explain the code, but to be honest, there's not much to explain in HTML and CSS because they're more of English and less of code. But I'll definitely show you the website and the code once. Alright, so this is the website. It's a pretty basic dog breed guide. Over here we have 4 dog breeds, and if you click on them, you reach a page in which you get a bit of information about them. Then we also have a search bar in which you can basically search Google. How I coded it is pretty direct. There is this header region in this which corresponds to the title in the tab of the website. I've also linked the styles.css file. Styles2.css is linked to the 4 pages. Most of the code is pretty self-explanatory and there isn't really much that needs to be said about it. So I'll just scroll down the code and the website while highlighting some parts of it. Now in this table, each of the cells are links. So irrespective of whether you click the image or the caption, you're going to reach the same page. This is the CSS file for the page. I've set the captions between paragraph tags so that I could specifically edit them and change their font color so that they were different from the remaining page. The body has a different font, and I've also set a background color which spreads across the whole website. I also played around with the header text, but there isn't much to explain there. Each of the pages has a similar base structure, only the content is different for the different dogs. So I'll just explain one of the pages. First of all, the CSS file linked to it is styles2.css instead of styles.css. Then the first is the about breed title, and then there are 4 points about each of the dogs in unordered lists. This is the CSS file about it. Once again, pretty self-evident. I've also imported the 4 pictures for the dogs, and that is how the site came to be.